To access Upswing, visit southtexascollege.upswing.io. Under Select Login Type, choose Student. Then, type in your JAGNet username and password in the following fields before clicking Login. You can submit your paper under the section labeled Upload an Assignment for Review. You will be given a submission form to fill out. Under Subject, please select Writing. If you're submitting a paper specifically for the NIH campus, then select Nursing and Allied Health Programs as the subject. Include the title of your paper and the date your paper is due. Under Format, choose the writing format you are working with. Include the line spacing and the number of pages, not including the cover page. Now, you can upload your paper along with any other instructions or requirements. Under Description, you can include the type of paper, such as argumentative, narrative, compare and contrast, and any additional directions that might be helpful for the tutor. Choose up to 2 major concerns from the list, then click Submit when you are finished. When you have submitted your paper for review, you will receive an email confirmation that your paper has been submitted to the writing queue. You will also see that it is visible under your current submissions. Once the tutor has finished providing feedback on your paper, it will then be sent back to you, upon which you will receive notification stating that your submission has been completed.